So you guys ready to translate that name together? All right, cool. So onyinye, that kind of comes from the, I guess it's the root word or like a main word, inye. Inye means to give. So onyinye means a gift, right? So inye is like a verb, right? And then the noun that's related to it is onyinye, meaning like an actual gift, the thing that you give, right? And then chi means God or destiny or anything like that. In this context, it means God. So yeah, basically onyinye means God's gift. Onyinye is short for that. And basically it means gift, you know what I'm saying? So I gave her that name because she's into gift giving and just helping out the people in her life with whatever they need. Onyinye. Onyinyechi's names, giving them